Okay, good morning London. Welcome to the live room summary. Going to take a quick look at our morning session, which was primarily concentrating on sterling. It is interest rate day today. Again, we have got figures out at midday. Sterling. We do have interest rates at 12.45 for the euro. So again, the market is going to be a little bit jumpy. There's a lot of thoughts of where sterling should go. Again, we're not thinking further the end of our nose. We're taking session by session. Loving this new format, and thanks very much for the emails and private messages from you guys. It seems that you guys are very, very happy as well, which is good to see, and that's the main thing. We're going to zone in as per the video from yesterday. It was all emailed to you guys. We're going to zone in dollar yen, sterling yen, pound dollar. We're then going to zone in on the euro, in euro dollar and euro yen. Those are the 5 charts. The cherry on the cake will be Aussie dollar, dollar CAD and euro sterling. You do not have to trade those, but again, they can be very profitable, as you know. But again, until you're mastered sterling and euro, don't worry about those ones for now. But let's have a little look at the market. Well, I should say that all this information will be blogged on our FX500clubblog.com. And again, you'll see the breakout plays in picture format with our notes that we posted from the morning as well. So keep an eye on the FX500 Club blog as well. So dollar yen had a breakthrough. Let me just zoom out a little bit in here so you can see it. There's a little triangle, ascending triangle for me above the hourly 20 and 50, looking for the break. As I said, there's your stop loss would be. Haven't touched that from the 20. Again, at the time, it was about a 20 pip risk. And again, guys taking a little cheeky few pips in there from around that 40 level up to where about that 65 level. Maximum about 25 pips, but even if you didn't trade it, it gave us a good heads up on what was going on in the rest of the yen market. What happened to sterling yen? Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm just going to stay on the 15-minute charts, guys. We're going to keep it simple. 15-minute charts using the hourly 20, hourly 50. Our target every session, 10 sessions a week, is only 25 to 50 pips each session. You do the maths on that, that's between 250 and 500 pips a week. Easily possible. Easily. Okay, so here was you can see how you could have made in dollar yen. Sterling yen, this is where the majority of guys were trading. Preempting a break, there, as I said, was your stop loss below the 20 level. Getting in, some got in just past the break at 85. Where did it go? Up towards the 40 level, which is exactly where everyone started to target their take profit. We know that 141.75 is the big resistance level, so again, anywhere just below that 50 level was a good profit target. Again, most people taking about 60 to 70 pips on that trade. Excellent breakout play, excellent ascending triangle play. Great trade. Respect to you guys. What was the third chart we looked at? We looked at pound dollar. How do we keep it simple? 15-minute chart. Let's zoom out a little bit. I've just lost connection, but it's coming back. So 15-minute chart, 60-minute 20 up, above the 4-hour 20. Little triangle formed, support on the 4-hour 20 at this 25 level. That's why I said put your stop loss below, so around that 20 level. Again, guys getting in about 55. How much of a risk? Well, you did the maths on that. It's only about a 35-40 pip stop loss. So again, there was the break, 55 up to where? A lot of guys taking profit at 90 to 92. Again, a nice 35-40 pips trade on that. Some making a few more than that. Excellent trade. You can all see why it moved in certain ways. And with dollar yen pushing higher, sterling yen followed, and then again pound dollar then followed as well. Okay, that's basically what we zoned in on. There was an opportunity, or let me just go back. There was an opportunity with euro yen, which I'm going to show. Let's just get euro yen up. Here we go. We know we're in an uptrend. There was our little triangle forming, but I just drew a nice breakout play through here. 125.30, stop loss 85. Guys looking at that long play through here on that 35 up to here. Granted, I didn't zone in on this because I wanted you guys to zone in more on sterling. But again, just showing you the opportunity. Ralston making So, something like 270, 280 pips today, because he spread his risk out throughout, only been trading for 2.5 months, guys. Take that as a big positive. What I'm really going to work on, we only zone in on these 5 charts, the morning session, afternoon session. Yes, I'm well aware that Euro Sterling fell off today. Let me just bring up Euro Sterling. There we go. Support at 85. Again, we're telling people this is a kind of level. Where was your stop loss? Just at 15. Was it worth a 20 pip risk? Absolutely. Did it work out? Yes, it did. Why? Because Sterling powered up. Euro dollar hasn't really moved, even though Euro looks like it's going to break as we speak. There's our push lower. That's where people made pips on as well. Again, let's just look at Euro dollar very quickly as we speak, because this is the level we're talking about. There's my little resistance level at 25. I said wait for the break. It's now down at 75. I now know what many of you will be thinking, but again, be careful of interest rates. It's getting to that level. Again, watch Euro Yen on the break of that 125. Okay, guys, great day, great session. Very, very impressed with you guys on how you traded. My main focus, as I said, is not to get 30 or 40% of you guys trading. I want to get 80 to 90 to 100% of you all trading the 1, 2 or 3 pairs that we look at in the morning. Euro dollar is down at 70 now. This is the kind of level that we should be looking at. Okay, guys, great day. I will speak to you tomorrow, and ready and to start. Be ready by your PC at 20 to 7 in the morning. Notes will be out at 1:45, and we start just before 7 o'clock. Okay, take care.